are going to make a fishing hook and line. So first, we need to make the fishing hooks with its artificial lure. So these are the materials to be used in making the hooks. Here, so in the hooks, we need to use these straps of nylon, um, crystal flash strands, um, crystalline sheets, orange or white. It can be blue, red, or green. Water in a plate, and a blade, or you can use scissor or cutter as long as it can cut through the materials. So we are going to start. So let's start in making the lure. So first we need to get the tiniest part of this crystalline sheet by removing the thick strands, just like this way. So like this. So we also done the same thing with a white crystalline sheet, and it goes this way. So the next step is to remove the thin strands from this crystalline sheet. So we are going to use this part. So we are going to remove it and then combine it all. Put it in the water, just like this way, and the other side, so that we can tie it in the hook neatly and easily. So put it aside. So now we are going to prepare the crystal flash. So these are the crystal flash strand. This reflects light and attract fish in the water so that they can easily find the artificial lure and see it as a plankton. So we're going to get two strands. One, put it in the water to avoid it from falling away. And two. So we've got two crystal flash strands. Next is we're going to tie it in the hook. So get a strand of nylon, a 7-pound nylon, 7 pounds nylon, this one, and one hook. That get these crystalline strands, combine it with the crystal flash strands, then put it that way, combine these two, just like that. Get your cutter or your scissor or blade, as long as it can cut through these strands and the nylon. Cut the excess strand and put it back. Put the excessive one in another again, so we can have two of these strands together in one crystalline fabrics. So going to bend it like this, then combine it that way, put it in the water, that, put the hook in it this way, and put the nylon towards the bend of the hook, and the other one above the hook. So wrap it around the hook and the lure together. One to 5 to 7 wrap is enough for it to hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull the end of the nylon. Pull it this way, and so it's done. It would look like this way, and put it in the water. Remove this excess nylon by cutting it using blade, or as I said, anything that will cut through it. Cut it this way, and the artificial lure. So these strands, we're going to cut it 1 centimeters, this 1 centimeters away from the end of the hook, from here to here, 1 centimeters. Cut it diagonally. Cut it diagonally so that it looks more attractive, like this. Okay. So it's done.
How to attach the hook into our main line.
So this is how to connect our hook into our main line. So first, you need to make a hitch inside your line. Make sure that each hook is 2 meters apart from each other. You should going to make it like this way, and put the hook inside it, like that. After putting the assist line of that hook, assist cord of that hook, you're going to make a circle going through the hole, and then back to the other hole that we created from the assist cord of the hook. Then pull that. After that, you should also pull the main line, like that. Then this way, tie the excess line from the assist cord of the hook using multiple hitch nuts. This, the other side, like that, and tie it strong. Pull it. Then it's done. Then cut the excessive line. Here it goes. Then it's ready to go in our here. So then put up this. Then put the hook at the mouth of the circle object, that a tube where we are going to put our line and hooks. And it's done. So the next step is to connect these hooks connect the line of these hooks into another nylon to extend its depth. So we're done on connecting all our hooks into our main line. So the next step or part is to connect this main line into another nylon. So in this part, we are going to use swivel to connect these two. We're going to tie it this way. Put it that back. Then put it above the nylon. And like that. Put the end on the back to the hole, and just like that. And put it back below to its hole, like this. And pull it, just like that. After that, we're going to make a series of hitch nuts to make it stronger. So I'm going to do it like this. One, double hitch knot. 1, 2. Like that. And another 3 more hitch knots. That, then it's done. So we're also going to do the same thing on the other side of the swivel. So let's get the line.
Now, this is the end product of our chosen fishing gear. So this fishing gear works by pulling our nylon up and down motion so that it will create a movement in our artificial lures. So by pulling it up, it would look like a plankton floating on the current and down. So it will only work by putting weight in each end of the nylon so that the line will sink quickly under the water. The number one target species of this fishing gear are big-eyed scad, but it can also catch other species of scad. It can also catch big-eyed trevally, tuna, medium-sized rainbow runners, and golden trevally.